Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb make out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb make out is to succeed or to continue in a particular way. After she gets home from her first day in her new job, her parents call in to see how it went. How did you make out today? The woman enjoys a breakaway with some friends. One of them asks, "How is your husband making out at home without you? Will he survive?" Meaning two of make out is to kiss and touch someone in a sexual way. They gossip over their boyfriends. We made out last night and I think I'm falling in love. On their honeymoon, the couple reminisce about when they first got together. I remember the first night we made out. I'll never forget it for the rest of my days. Meaning three of make out is to see, hear, or understand someone or something with difficulty. The editor is finding it hard to read some of the work. I can only make out some of the words on this page. He hasn't quite nailed down the language yet, so people find it hard to understand him. I'm sorry, I can't make out the last bit of what you said. Can you repeat it, please? The criminal creeps around. If you look closely, you can make out a figure in the darkness. Meaning four of make out is to say something is true when it might not be, like making a claim. The woman hides her true self. She makes out that she is rich, but it's not true. She's nearly bankrupt. During the meeting, the employee told a really dramatic story which made them look great. Some of the other staff aren't convinced. He always makes out like he's the man. I see right through him. Meaning five of make out is to write out or complete a form or document. After the client signed the contract, they paid the first installment. I'll make out the check in your company name for €50,000. The patient waits on the doctor's decision. I think a prescription will do the trick. I'll make it out to run for 3 weeks. So let's look back on what we covered. Make out can mean to succeed or to continue in a particular way. How will I make out now with the new manager? To kiss and touch someone in a sexual way. I can't wait to make out with you again. I'm crazy about you. To see, hear, or understand someone or something with difficulty. I can never make out my son's writing. To say something is true when it might not be, like making a claim. The manager makes out like he's so smart, but always gets it wrong. To write out or complete a form or document. I'll make out the money to all the grandkids. Where did you hear the phrasal verb make out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.